I couldn't sleep, I took a Sominex, but voices in my head kept saying, go to Seymore, talk to Seymore. I drank some tea, but gee, the feeling wasn't gone. Seymore, sweetheart, tell me, darling, what's been going on?
Hey, little lady, hello.
Who said that?
You're looking cute as can
Is somebody in there?
be. You're looking mighty sweet.
Seymore, Seymore.
No, it ain't Seymore. It's me.
Oh my God!
Your friendly Audrey, too. This plant is talking to you.
I don't believe it.
Believe it, baby, it talks.
Am I dreaming this?
No, and you ain't in Kansas neither.
Something's very wrong here.
Relax. Go with the doll. Do me a favor, will you, sweetheart?
A favor?
I need some water in the worst way. Look at my branch. I'm a goner, honey. Come on in.
I don't know if I should.
Hey, little lady, be nice.
Just want water, right? Oh, your branches are transporting me.
No glass on the wine.
I'll get this man.
Don't be no line.
Here you go.
And now it's summertime. Come on, relax. It'll be easier. Come on here and join your sister's friend. They're right inside.
You know, the plant just said the strangest thing. It said that Oren and Mr. Mushnick were already inside.
It's true. I did it. I fed them to it.
And that's what made it so big and strong and you so famous?
I've done terrible things, but not to you. Never to you.
But I want you to, Seymore.
What?
When I die, which should be very shortly, feed me to the plant so that it can live and bring you all the wonderful things you deserve.
You don't know what you're saying.
But I do.